Hello, guys. I want us to have a quick uh, breakdown in markets for the day. Let's start from gold. As we can clearly see on a daily time frame, gold is still very, very bullish. So we look for buys, but then we kind of have a little retracement. So we need to also have sell buyers as well. So we go to the daily time frame, a 4 hour time frame. We kind of have, we can clearly see we having some kind of tracement at the moment. So let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour also uh, giving us that kind of pullback and then what's market moving back to the top side again. When we go to the 15 minutes, yesterday we caught about 430 pips from the top here to the down here before it started reversing again. So today, this is my setup. This is my expectation. I'm expecting to tap into this key level. Then we can move to the upside or perhaps have what's an all-time high. Or if you should break, and I mean, retest the key level, then I'm expecting it to go into the 31, 87.186. Yeah, so that is my bias for gold. Let's go to DXY. Okay, let's go to oil. See, oil, I'm expecting it to come to this zones right here, this support zone right here. So then I would be interested in what's taking the buys. Or perhaps if you buy to hit this level right here, that's like a break generator, so we can get some confirmations right at the top here and sell to the downside before what's taking our buys. So let's go to the DXY. DXY has been very, very bearish, and we kind of have it's trying to form a pattern. Can have pattern being formed like this, where we having it's trying to break to the upside. So if you give us a good breakout, we will look for buys on DXY and therefore short some of the excesses USD pairs. Yeah, so that is for DXY as well. Germany 30, I'm expecting something like a double top with notes, a good confirmation. Then we can look for some sales. So let me see if Fibonacci. Uh, oh, okay, that's around 61.8 Fibonacci region. So it makes sense for it to give us some kind of double top and then let's move all the way to the downside. But then looking at the momentum, it is very bullish. So if you should break with a good candlestick formation, then we will look forward buy opportunities to the upside, perhaps to the 22K, and then maybe might hold, or if we don't see any point of reversal, then we're holding to 23K. So let's go to the US 30 as well. US 30 is also trying to create a double top or give us a break, and the retest which happened here might also what happened again. It has already retested. It might give us what some kind of confirmation, then what's move all the way to the downside, or if it give us what a good breakout, then we go to the lower time frame and find some entry to hit our trend line or perhaps move all the way to the 42K. Let's go to Nasdaq and see what's happening. Nasdaq also trying to create that kind of same pattern, break and retest, and then trying to form like a double top. Yeah, so we're looking at it. If it should give us a good breakout, we're going to take a buy to 20K. If it doesn't, then we look for more sales to the downside. So GBP USD on the other side is giving us a double top as well, which we are looking for candlestick confirmation. Then we can sell all the way to the downside again, or at least Fibonacci zone of about 50% to 61.8 region. So that will be our take profit level. In this level right here, that'll be our take profit level. So it's pretty simple. So we just have to wait for confirmations and then we'll see what's happening. I'm expecting GBJPY to fall into these zones right here for buys, or perhaps it was this level right here thinking was a double bottom. So but I can look for those some buys. Let's go to JPY basket and see. So we can use it to analyze all JPY first. JPY has been very bullish. It has broken this trend line. So they did a break at the weakness of the trend line. It's moved all the way to the upside, give the double top, and once it dropped. Now it's trying to pull back. So in my use was this level right here. Where is this level right here? Or perhaps use this level, tap into the zone and move to the upside. Yeah, so we are still looking at it. Yeah, let's look at USDJPY as well. USDJPY has been very bearish as well. So I'm clear of these lines. Yeah, so perhaps it might tap into this zone before it's moving to the upside again. USD cards, nothing much to talk about. Any hidden level. Anyway, so let's wait for USD card to give us some kind of sell to the downside before it's moving all the way to the upside. Anyway, I don't trade those pairs anyway, but just for analysis sake, I mean, we just want to go through some of them. Let's look at silver and see what is happening in silver. You know that's improving much. Improve Fibonacci, you can see it was at the 61.8 region, which could be what's a potential zone or level for us to look for some sales to the downside. But then looking at the candlestick formation, it's kind of telling us it's going to move all the way to the upside. Yeah. Same as gold is trying to retest, trying to test this key level of 3220.745. We're still watching. We're still watching and see how it reacts here. If it should give us a break and a test, then we can jump in right there and take our entries. Let's look at fundamentals as well. Today, we don't really have any high impact news, so we expect market to give us like a smooth ride without any crazy spike here and there. So it's pretty simple. Wait for your confirmations before you find a new trade. And you can also join, click in the link in the description to join our Telegram platform. So anytime we drop in the free trade, you can also jump on it and also maximize some profits. All right. So leave you guys here and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.